gold standard in the treatment of urinary incontinence is the implantation of an artificial urinary sphincter device. For your common daily use, the device is active to stop bladder leakage. When you're ready to urinate, squeeze and release the lower part of the control pump in your scrotum 4 or 5 times until it feels slightly indented. The occlusive cuff is now open, and urine will pass through the urethra. The occlusive cuff reinflates automatically and gradually to squeeze the urethra in approximately 2.5 minutes. This allows the bladder to empty. Let's see the mechanism that differentiates the ContiReflex from conventional AUS devices. The main issue in conventional devices is the inability of the device not to respond properly when intra-abdominal pressure increases. This causes urinary incontinence. This problem has been overcome with the invention of ContiReflex. The small reflex balloon senses any increase in your intra-abdominal pressure when you cough, exercise, lift heavy objects, or do any other activities. When intra-abdominal pressure increases, the smart reflex balloon promptly applies a counterbalancing pressure on your urethra with the support of the occlusive cuff to stop bladder leakage. ContiReflex simply mimics how your urinary sphincter muscles naturally act to stop bladder leakage and help keep you dry.